In this video, I'm going to show you a pocket option 5-second strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video to make profitable trades. See, no one can avoid loss while trading binary options. Loss will happen. That is another thing. But your loss should be less than the amount of profitable trades that you make. So that is the important thing that you need to keep in your mind while trading binary options. So without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to select all of the currency pair that you want to make trade on. It's your choice. You can select all of these OTC pair or just normal pairs. That is your choice. Once you do this much, then one important thing that you need to do is you need to make this flag clock. Okay. So now what happens is if you are selecting OTC pair, then you will normally get this 5-second time frame. But if you are selecting normal pairs, then sometime you will get 5-second time frame at there, or normally you will not see the 5-second time. So I would suggest you to select the OTC pair to trade in 5-second time frame. So firstly, you make this flag, this clock, and then select this place and okay, so this is Euro USD pair. So let's go to AUD CAD OTC and then select here and select S5. So once you do this much, then your 5-second time frame is selected. Now you just select this and then click on S5 so that your all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now you put the amount that you want to invest. Now I'll suggest you to not put the huge amount while trading binary options in 5-second time frame. If you don't have capacity, trade for $5, $10, or you can even trade for $50. But above that, I think it is not a good idea to trade on 5-second time frame because it is absolutely express trading. You'll get result absolutely fast, so you can go with low amount. Always keep that in mind. And don't forget to like this video. Once you do this much, then what you need to do is you just switch to another currency pair. You just make all of this favorite and you just switch to another currency pair and see wherever the market is going and see for the retracement. If it is falling down and you see a green candle, make a trade by clicking on lower. I'll make trades and show you exactly by making all of the trades. Okay, don't worry about that. So if you select another currency pair and this is not a good market, okay, you need at least you need to see whether market is going up or down clearly. So this market is going up, and if you see a red candle, make a trade by clicking on higher. So similarly, go to another currency pair and you can see market is trying to go up. Now if you see a red candle, make trade by clicking on higher in this kind of place. So let's see in another currency pair. So this is also not a good trend because it should be falling down. At that time it would be a good trend, but it is your choice. Okay, you just need to do this simple thing. As you can see here, market is beautifully falling down. So if you see a green candle, just make trade by clicking on lower. Now I'll exactly show you by making few trades so that you can understand how this trading are done. So watch the video carefully and don't forget to leave the comment and subscribe to my channel.